I think you touched on the concept of like this whole optimizing at the kernel level. The speed at which Together does this is truly very impressive. I think you hear about companies that try to do this, and going back to this whole concept of speed being the key in all this as technology evolves, it needs to follow all the way through. I can build a data center and build the cluster quickly and deliver it, but then if it's not optimized with the latest chips for the end users, then you're kind of stalled there. I think the fact that you guys are doing that, I think faster than anyone I've seen, is really giving us a combined differentiator to the end users. And I think that's the key to the whole thing. It's all about how you adopt new technology, how do you actually roll it out. But again, buying chips, putting clusters together, not an easy thing to do, but having that additional layer to kind of optimize and really make it so that you're really truly delivering something differentiated to your end users, where they're getting more bang for their buck out of these, let's call it expensive chips,
right,
is the key to the success.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's also a really, very fast changing space. You have incredible new models coming out in open source. Every few months you have really new techniques being discovered and invented, like the work happening around reinforcement learning today. In some ways, what is happening is that we have these sort of human constraints in AI, where you required labeled data, which required managing armies of people to kind of generate this data. And now that process is being replaced with AI models. And what this will really do is AI becomes a lot more computational. You'll have, and the progress in AI becomes a lot more computational, which again kind of requires building infrastructure at a scale that, and with a speed that we've not seen so far.